guys, welcome back to my channel. Yuka here. How are you doing? Today I'd like to show you how to make this. Yes, so some of you guys have already watched my short video about it, but now I'd like to show you how to make it in details. If you enjoyed this video, please give me some comments, hit like button, and also if you haven't subscribed to my channel, your subscription will make me very motivated. Okay, so let's have a look. Now we are going to boil broccolis. Now we are going to make roses with ham, and also please get some pasta. It's a secret of making the roses. Other flowers using sausages. It's very simple. Use the knife. Please be careful. Do not cut your fingers. Parts, egg rolls. I love making tamago yaki. You have to be very careful, but if you can make it very well, it looks very awesome. So let's try. I wanted to use this actually. Can you see? It's like a punch that you can make cat face, and it looks like this. Yeah, so it's supposed to make this cat, but unfortunately I tried like 100 times, but I couldn't make any single pretty cat face. So I just gave up making, so now I make different kind of rice balls. Yes. Okay, the last section, the most fun part of making bento box, I think. So you can put any way you like. I was, imagining the making forest, so I randomly put some ingredients so that it can look fancy, but you can make it like a very organized or any kind you like. Yeah, so let's have a look.